Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Stephen Wadsack, trumpet professor and brass area coordinator here at Kennesaw State University. Today, I'm going to be performing for you the all-district and all-state etudes, as well as providing a few tips to help you in your preparation along the way. I hope you enjoy them. If you're a brass player who's working on these etudes, I'd like to personally invite you to our Kennesaw State University All-State Brass Bootcamp on Saturday, November 9th. Throughout the day, we will have master classes and sessions for each of the all-state levels, including middle school, concert band, and symphonic band. For more details on the event, feel free to check out the link in the video description below. The two symphonic band etudes are both based on longer etudes from Bousquet's 36 celebrated studies. Bousquet was a French composer active during the 19th century, and he originally wrote these etudes for a woodwind instrument known as the flageolet, which was similar to the modern-day recorder. For over 100 years, these etudes have been borrowed by cornet and trumpet players as a means of working on both technique and expression. The lyrical etude, while not technically as demanding, requires a high level of musicianship from the performer. Be sure to pay special attention to the extended crescendos, which often go across bar lines. Note as well the subito piano dynamic in measure 16 on beat 2. The markings in this etude are quite precise when it comes to slurs and articulations, which gives you as the performer an opportunity to demonstrate attention to detail. Be sure to note exactly which style is called for within each phrase, and play the articulations precisely as they are called for. Finally, although this is the lyrical etude, note that the tempo here is fairly energetic. Keep your momentum leaning forward and strive for a buoyancy on the big beats, which will assist your performance in keeping the listener engaged. The technical selection comes from one of my personal favorite Bousquet etudes. It's positioned within one of the fullest and meatiest parts of the trumpet register, but it will test both your finger and tongue speed. My biggest tip for success in this etude is to avoid shortening the 16th notes, even though they are marked staccato. Instead, keep the air fluid and steady with a firm pop quality of articulation. The result is a clean yet full-bodied tone on each note, and your articulation will create the sense of separation that a staccato note requires. Although this etude calls for a faster tempo marking, many of the patterns within are scale-based or arpeggio-based. Students who have diligently practiced their Arbin arpeggio studies or similar studies from other methods will recognize these familiar shapes in the music. I hope you found this video helpful in your audition preparation. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description below where you can find out more information about our All-State Brass Bootcamp, as well as the Trumpet Studio here at Kennesaw State University. Thanks so much, and go Owls!